So Stranooden gets its water here from Baird Shore is the local name. Its proper name is White Lough, and it's part of the Dromore River system. There's actually 8 lakes fed by the Dromore River system from Ballybay to Coot Hill, and we abstract from one of those lakes, which is White Lough. Stranooden here is a fairly big scheme. We draw off approximately 2,000 metres cubed of water every day. And that varies from winter to summer. Obviously in the winter it's less, in the summer it's more, but on average about 2,000 metres cubed of water every day is pumped to Craigcahan from the lake. Stranooden's a wee bit unique as group water schemes go, because with Stranooden here, unlike other schemes, an awful lot of schemes have the treatment plant on the lake shore, but in Stranooden here we have to actually pump the raw water, the lake water, 8 miles from the lake here to the treatment plant at Craigcahan. Stranooden is a big scheme in that it services approximately 1,800 to 2,000 connections. We have about 1,350 domestic users. We have about 400 farms, businesses and commercial premises. On the scheme we have, as with some other schemes, we have full-time staff. So myself here, I work for the scheme and I'm involved in the quality assurance, in the maintenance and in the financial end. We have 2 lads then, full-time maintenance people or maintenance lads that are on the road, taking care of the connections, the metering, leakage and any other operational issue that our customers or members might have. We also then have a full-time source protection manager whose main task and really only task is the protection of the raw water pre-treatment, and that's sort of a measure of how serious Stranooden takes the protection of our raw water quality, the raw water being the water that's in this lake. As part of that, to make people more aware of the quality of the raw water. Now, raw water is the water you see running down the road. It's the water you see in the garden or on your drive. It's the water in your shuck or your stream or your river. And we're trying to make people more aware that someday, maybe not that far away, you're probably going to consume that water, whether you drink it or whether you're washing it. But you will see that water again. And it's in everyone's interest to try and have that water as good as it can be before we have to treat it.